back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating this makeup look for you guys, and this look was chosen by you. I put up a couple of pictures in my beauty group on Facebook called the Glam Life, and you guys requested this look, and I really like it myself. And I've actually used my own lipstick that is launching on the 8th of March, so I'm really excited for that. But this is kind of similar to the picture that I posted on my Facebook. Well, it's as close as I could get it. That's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It is going to be voiceover just to make it a little bit choppier and straight to the point. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Well, hello there. I'm just going to start with a little bit of concealer. I'm using the Benefit's Stay Don't Stray. It's a primer, but it works really well as a concealer as well. And then I'm just going to set with a little bit of translucent powder. Next, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm taking this burnt orange matte shade. You know how I feel about burnt orange shades. I'm taking it on a pencil brush because I'm going to get much more of a precise, kind of a sharper finish in the crease. And then taking a goat haired blending brush, I'm just going to start buffing it out a little bit. Now I'm taking a darker brown shade. This is a warm tone as well, so it's going to blend beautifully with the orange, and again on a pencil brush, but this time I'm going to focus a little bit more kind of right in the socket of the eye. So once I go in with my concealer, it's going to give you that gorgeous cut crease. So now I'm just taking another flat synthetic brush, and I'm taking a little bit of concealer and just carving out my lid, and then I'm going in with the shimmery color from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm just packing this right on top of the concealer, and this is really going to pop in pictures. So I'm just going to take a bit of setting spray on the same brush, and I'm going into this Inglot pigment and just packing a little bit more. It's like a rose gold pigment. I'm just packing it right on top of the eyeshadow, so it's really gonna pop for me. So now on to the fun bit, eyeliner. I actually find felt tip eyeliners so much easier to use compared to gels. They're just so much cleaner and, you know, really great for beginners as well, so I highly recommend trying them. And this one is actually from the Body Shop. I just found it in my collection and I was like, hey, I'm just going to try that today. And it's actually really easy to use. The eyeliner part is really thin, so you can create a perfect wing. It's really neat. It's not, you know, messy. It's not too, this is probably the wrong word to use, but it's not too inky. So it's not going to like spread everywhere. It's just really precise, really easy to use. I really recommend giving it a go. Now I'm gonna use Bad Girl Bang. This is a new mascara from Benefit, and I must admit, when I heard they were launching a new mascara, I was like, mascaras are not my thing, but I actually really like it. It's the blackest black mascara I've ever used. It's not clumpy like their real can be. It's quite lightweight. The brush feels like it's actually combing your lashes individually, so it really lifts and lengthens and darkens them as well, and it's not too heavy and really easy to remove, which is a win-win. But it takes a lot for me to say that I like a mascara, and I do like it. I've put on the Samantha lashes from Huda Beauty, I believe. I love them, really lightweight. Oh, they really open your eyes. I love them, they're beautiful. Moving on to the face, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation, and I'm just stippling on a very light coating of this. I just really wanted the face to be quite lightweight today, so I'm not applying too much foundation. I really like this actually, it's a really nice foundation. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to use my own branded concealer from the Glam Life, and I'm popping this on under my eyes. It's really creamy and lightweight, great for covering discoloration. I'm just applying it using a synthetic brush, so I don't ruin my under eye makeup. And then I'm going to buff it out with the Blank Canvas Cosmetics synthetic brush. I love this brush, it's so good. I forget the number of it, but I'll leave it in the description box. And I'm just going to stipple it out, and then also put a little bit of powder, and you never guess the powder I'm using. I've had this for so long and I forgot about it, and I used it again the other day and I fell back in love with it. It's the Blank Canvas Cosmetics Contour Palette. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good. So I used the white powder from this. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. It's one of those palettes that you'll always just go back to. I love it so much. I'm using the Glam Life powder, and this powder really gives you that airbrush finish. I love it. So I'm just taking the tiniest little bit because a little goes a long way, and I just have a little bit on a powder brush and just buffing it over my face. It really warms your complexion and gives you that flawless airbrushed finish, which we all do love. I'm just taking an angle brush from Blank Canvas Cosmetics, and I'm using the contour from the palette I showed you a few minutes ago, and I'm just contouring as you do, using the start of my ear and the corner of my mouth as a guide. I was checking myself out in the mirror there, making sure all was going well. The mirror is funny, the mirror that I was using is actually quite narrow and it makes your face blurry, so I couldn't really see myself, so it was kind of pointless. So now I'm just taking a little bit of the bronzer shade right on my forehead and just buffing it out, making sure there's no harsh lines. I'm really liking my hair in this lighting. It makes it look so red. Love it. I'm taking the what is this? It's a synthetic brush from Blank Canvas Cosmetics, and I'm just trying to sort out my nose, and I'm just taking a little bit of the peach and the pink blush from that palette again, and I just put a little bit on my cheeks. It really brightens up my face and just really finished it off nicely. I love it. And lastly, but definitely not least, I'm going to use, look, I'm so proud of myself, the Becca Cosmetics Prosecco Pop. Like, I love doing my highlighter. You can see the happiness in my face when I look at that glow. Wait for it. Ah. I totally forgot to fill in my eyebrows, so I'm just going in now with the Glam Life eyebrow palette, and I'm using the darker shade. Sometimes I do an ombre brow, but today I was feeling that dark eyebrow, and because my tint has faded anyway, so I need all the darkness I can get. Otherwise my brows are just like totally disappearing off my face, so I need to get out my wax pot, but I'm just so lazy. So I'm just fitting it in now. You get a little angle brush with it and a little spoolie, and I love the fact that they're cool tones, so they never look too orange on your eyebrow, look very natural. I'm just finishing off the eyes with a little bit of black eyeliner, and then again mascara for the lower lash line. You know how it is. And no look is complete without one's favorite matte lipstick. I love matte lipsticks, they're so my fave. I'm using Maven today from the new collection launching the 9th of March, I believe. And it is a beautiful, a warm kind of a purpley brown. It's just a stunning shade. So yeah, that's kind of the start of the show. I really hope you enjoy this makeup look. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!